That's the spirit, Sam. He always has the right idea. Sam just says, pee on it. Anyway, here we are doing some heavy-duty gardening, I guess you'd call it. This poor old fella bit the dust last fall or thereabouts. It must have been a slow death, I think, because it was a good tree. But I think there's a bug around that spruce beetle or whatever. I used the tractor to make sure it went in the right direction and not over here on top of my shed, or perhaps backwards into these trees here. So I've learned that the hard way. It's always good to have it going in the right direction. Anyway, what I'm going to do, I'm going to tie a chain on there and hook it to the back of the tractor, and then I'm going to go over here to the road, and I'm going to drag it down the road up there just beyond the shed into my work area, I guess you call it, where I cut, and I'll trim. Stop it, dog always begging. I want to, I'll trim the tree and probably junk it into, as they say in Nova Scotia, junk it into junks, and be ready for next year's wood if I need it. Over and out. Looks sort of Mickey Mouse, but I didn't find my chain until after I got this rope out, so the point is it'll do the job. I just wanted to show you where I was going with this thing. It's a big tree. I hate losing trees, they're like part of the family, but you know, if I didn't lose any trees I wouldn't have any firewood, so I guess that's okay. The other thing I did that I don't normally do, I left a big stump over there. You can see it. And I thought, because I have to pull out the root, that would give me some leverage with the tractor, since the tree is not old and rotted. A fresh stump like that is hard to get out. So with that, I'll dig around it, and then I'll lever on the, and I think that'll help me a lot when the ground is thawed. I don't think I could get it out of there now for sure. But anyway, gotta get on and keep going. We're experiencing very mild weather again, rain on the way. This is all ice, mostly. That should hold. Away we go. What would I do without a tractor? That tree probably weighs the best part of a ton, I'm sure. It's This area up here by the brush pile and the pile of wood there is where I do most of my dirty work, and that way I can keep it under control and not forever cleaning up all over the place. I could have limbed it down where I cut it, and then I would have a hell of a mess. So anyway, let's see what I got here. Well, it's still with me. It's gonna brush my bike there a bit, but I don't think that'll matter. Maybe I can move it over a bit. Yeah, try that. Heavy. Old tractor's having a little bit of a struggle here. There we go. It's lifting the front wheels off the ground, the weight of the tree. Better straighten out that. Yeah, that's what's wrong right here. The angle of the dangle. There, let's see if I can get a little farther up. What do you think, Abby? No, go back. Come on. Get away from there. Look where you are. Get! Get! Just won't do it, eh? Well, if you want to come any further, what can I do here? It's actually moving the tractor. I guess we're gonna have to unhitch and uncamera and rehook. Enough of that.